I think this is gonna mainly be another sound video because I don't have a whole lot of time. I gotta go to work soon, and I also think I'm gonna need gas soon, so I don't really want to go too far. Not getting anything crazy, so I'm gonna go to the one back road that I really like, and I don't think I'm gonna talk too much. Mainly just so you listen to the bike. So I'm pretty sure that's what this video is gonna end up being. I'm sure the title will let you know. That didn't last long. Okay, I'm gonna turn around right here and I'm gonna try that again. So I barely got to go fast. Try one more back road real quick, and then I gotta get to work. So try one more. Well, that unfortunately didn't exactly go as planned, just because on the back roads there was usually someone right in front of me, so couldn't go too fast or much. Wanted to get a little bit more of just sound and stuff in there, but didn't work out today. So I might try again tomorrow, hopefully. I'm not sure, but we will see. I hope you guys enjoy the footage that I did get in the video. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.